Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing the face mask video that I explained to y'all before. I'm doing this face mask because I deal with dry skin and I deal with eczema. A lot of people tell me my complexion is beautiful and they want to know what I do. Okay, so first, this is what I use. Steel cut oats. They're already chopped up. If you don't have the kind that's already chopped up, you could just grind them up in a processor. So I just take a couple teaspoons. I do not measure. Once again, I do not measure. I'm black, we never measure. I just put it in the bowl. It's right here. I basically make it until it's to the consistency that I want, and also to make sure that it's enough that I want. So I just add as I go. Next, I'm going to be using, now this is the funny part. I don't know if it's called turmeric or turmeric, because living in Louisiana, I think we pronounce everything wrong. If you ever listen to the GPS when you're in Louisiana, how we pronounce every street, the GPS pronounced it totally different. So I never know if we're saying it wrong or if GPS is saying it wrong. Either way, I'm not sure if it's called turmeric or turmeric, whatever it's called. This is what I use. I also have fibromyalgia, so I put this in all of my food. The only thing it does is changes the color of the food. It does not necessarily change the taste, and it's an anti-inflammatory, and I use it in everything. So then I put some in there. Like I said, I add gradually to make sure that it's enough, and to also make sure that it's to the consistency that I want. But this is the most important part of this mask. So you put it in. This is how it's looking so far. I don't know if y'all can see it that well. Okay. Next, I'm going to use milk. I'm using evaporated milk. Evaporated milk is richer to me and it's thicker, so I feel like I get the most nutrients out of the milk, so that's what I use. It does not have to be lactose free. I just use this for food as well, so that's why we have lactose free, but it could be any type of evaporated milk. And then you just put it in your mix and you stir it. Next time I'm gonna have my camera angle differently so it'll be easier for y'all to see. I'm just in a rush right now, and I said I was gonna do this video, so I wanted to make sure that I did it today. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. I don't have enough in here, so I'm going to add more to this. But next, I'm going to add my coconut oil. I use coconut oil in my hair and for my skin, mostly in my hair. So you're going to add some to it. So I have it added, and now I'm going to mix it. And as I said before, if it's not enough, just gradually add all your ingredients little by little to get as much as you need and to the consistency that you need. You don't want it soupy, because if you have it soupy, it's going to run and it's going to be a big mess. When I was a child, my mom used to give me oatmeal and milk baths because I had eczema really bad. It was worse when I was a child. Me and my sister suffered from eczema and dry skin. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now, it's okay if you grind up your oatmeal and also leave some of the pieces whole. That's totally up to you. But I feel like still oats, like having it grinded up, is better. So now I have everything mixed up. Once again, we use turmeric, coconut oil, steel oats, and evaporated milk. So now I'm just going to put it on my face. And you can eat this. I mean, it's nasty, but it's totally edible. It's a little spicy. A little spicy. It's weird, like I get dry patches on my eyelids. I don't know why. I don't know if other people have that issue with eczema, but I do. Especially because I wear makeup and it doesn't really help my eczema. So I always have like little patches there. It's not the best tasting food, okay? It's not at all. So just get it on there really good. Okay, I have it on there as much as I want it. Now, once you have it on there, you let it sit for 15 minutes. So we're gonna let it sit. Find something to do. 15 minutes. Also, you don't have to do this every day. I would do it at least once a week, or as needed, as much as you feel like your skin needs to be rejuvenated. I try to do at least twice a week. After 15 minutes, you're going to wash. You can wash with your normal face soap that you use. Also, I told y'all that I use a certain type of eczema line. It's for eczema and it's for dry skin. And the name of that is called First Aid Beauty. First, I'm going to wash everything off, and then I'm going to wash my face with my face cleanser from First Aid Beauty. Can you see that? Focus. This comes from Sephora. And then after I wash my face, I'm going to use my face radiance pads by First Aid Beauty. And then afterwards, I'm going to use my Ultra Repair moisturizer. So let's get this washed off, and then I'll show you the rest of the steps. I've washed everything off. Now you have one or two options. You can either just rinse everything off and then put your moisturizer on, or you could just wash your face off with your normal face wash after you rinse all of your mask off, and then put your moisturizer on. It just depends on how I'm feeling that day. Sometimes I'll just rinse everything off and then put the moisturizer on my skin and go, and other times I can wash it off and then I use my face cleanser and then I use my moisturizer. So after I use my face cleanser by First Aid Beauty, then I use this. When I tell you I love this stuff, I've been using First Aid Beauty since 2011. I'm gonna speak it into existence. I hope one day I could be a spokesperson for them, because that's how much I love their products from Sephora. I just couldn't find something that was like perfect for my skin, for my eczema, for my dry skin. And I was able to find that in First Aid Beauty. I love it. It gets off all that extra dirt that's trapped in your pores. It gets out everything and helps tone your skin. So it gets everything off. Now I'm going to go in with my Ultra Repair Moisturizer. I had to bring the camera a little closer so that y'all could see. So that's what I do to keep my complexion toned, to keep my skin feeling moisturized. And since it's summertime, I really have to do this more often. This heat in Louisiana is ridiculous. I mean, it was 104 degrees the other day. And I'm like, God, is this hell? Because it is so hot and my skin is so dry. That's my skin routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I guarantee before you wash your face with your normal face wash that you rinse off your mask, your face feels so hydrated. I tell you no lie. Like, please do this mask and leave your comments below and tell me how your skin felt. I promise you, your skin will feel so moisturized. It's like a burst of hydration. It's wonderful. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.